because she hasn't left, because she's a fixed point in a world that keeps shifting.
And you look around, what's left? A house, a car, maybe some money, but what of you? What remains that's only yours? Not much. Immortality exists, sure, but only in memory, and for that, you have to be a herald, not just another man passing through. And me, I'm like them, the ones I hate, the ones who hurt me, who betrayed me, and most of all, because I am like them, nothing. One day, the world starts speaking a language you no longer understand. Politics becomes grotesque, values blur, half your family is already gone. And your body begins to fade. You hurt, not just in your knees, everywhere. So you run into cigarettes, into alcohol, into sex sometimes, into religion often, into philosophy when there's still a shred of hope. But all of it, these are heresies of thought, happy lies, or sweet poisons. And in the end you realize, you finally understand what others are still afraid to see, that you're going to die like everyone else, and after you, there will be nothing.